Your rims, they take a beating. From rocks, curb hits, wear and tear. Today it ends. When the road gets tough, you need a guardian, a defender. PROTECTiQ PRO by RIMiQ, your wheel's new bodyguard. We've been tirelessly working around the clock, pushing the limits of innovative technology to bring you PROTECTiQ PRO, the savior your rims didn't know they needed. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, a sleek design that won't compromise the look of your rims, and guaranteed to deliver ultimate protection. Modern? Definitely. Aggressive? Maybe, but only towards road hazards. Gone are the days of worrying about dings and scratches. Our rim protector shrugs them off like nothing, allowing you to ride with style. Easy installation? Check. High affordability? Check. Upgrade your ride. Get the peace of mind you deserve. Now it's time to invest in the best. PROTECTiQ PRO by RIMiQ. Level up your ride. Discover the smartest way to protect your rims. Prepare to drive unlocked.